So I wanted to go on ahead and do a part two, just kind of to explain the concept of what I was referring to in my first post of this. But essentially, I've got the bracket off, and now I'm wanting to make a new one of these so that for two reasons. I can expand out my Z gantry a little bit, and then to make a lead screw attachment. Well, I could probably use this plate. I just went on ahead and made another one to make it a little bit more stout. Now, what I did here is I went on ahead and traced the outline of this guy, and went on ahead and put all the holes in here. So from that point, if you were to drill these out, and you would need to use some sort of clamp to clamp this down when you drill your holes, and use a drill guide to make sure that you don't tear your edges up when you're trying to do the plate. From that point, you can have that steel bolted, and you can move it down, and then you can drill your holes out through here. So essentially, what you see here is kind of what the finished product would look like, just whether it was a piece of steel or a piece of aluminum, whatever you decided to use to expand your Z gantry or in your XY gantry. But I'll need two of these, and then I'll be making 4 of these guys. So it'll be the same principle. But once this drawing that's here, that's on paper, for anybody that's wondering, is not going to be used. If I tried to use this, it would be inaccurate as we'll use the right language to keep it good for kids, but it won't work. But with that plate movement, whatever distance you want your Z height to be increased, you just figure out what it is here. And I didn't measure that, but that looks like 2 inches, and I think I did it 2 inches, inch and a half extra height, which should be plenty for what I'm wanting to do.